Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Why'd you have to die? Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. 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 Why'd you have to die? Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Police brutality in the ghetto. Another innocent child gunned down Cleveland, Ohio. Was only 12 years old, just a little boy in the city park when he was playing with his toys. And you can check out the surveillance video. Police gave him 2 shots in the torso. Born June 25th, 2002. Died November the 2nd, 2014. Tamir, rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Why'd you have to die? Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. 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 Why'd you have to die? Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Tamir Rice shot dead in a gazebo. Police rolled up and didn't give no warning. Police murdered Tamir Rice in cold blood. They murdered him cause he was playing with a toy gun. The police chief and the grand jury said the officers was unfit for duty. Born July 25th, 2002. Died November 22nd, 2014. Tamir, rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Why'd you have to die? Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. 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 Why'd you have to die? Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. He was at the Cardell Rec Center. He was just a little boy with a BB gun. Got shot by the police. Didn't even minister, no first aid. Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. On June 3rd, County Sheriff released a statement. FBI investigation. Born June 25th, 2002. Died November 22nd, 2014. Tamir, rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Why'd you have to die? Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. 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 Why'd you have to die? Rest in peace, Tamir Rice. Rest in peace, Tamir Rice.